Hey friends, this is Venkatesh. Now I'm going to present about the machine learning algorithm and overview of machine learning concept. If you have any doubts and clarification in any part of this video, please update your comments. I will try to resolve as soon as possible. The main objective of this slide is to provide the overview of machine learning and different type of machine learning algorithms like supervised algorithm, unsupervised algorithm, and reinforcement algorithm. As you know, the machine learning concept is hot topic in current IT industry. Generally, the machine learning algorithm can be divided into three categories. The first one is supervised learning, and second one is unsupervised learning, and third one is reinforcement learning. So these are all the three major categories. So supervised learning is commonly used for prediction and classification, and unsupervised learning is used for clustering process and dimensity reduction, like it's a factor deduction. And the third one is used for learning task, skill occasions, and game artificial intelligence. So these are all the use of machine learning algorithms. Now let's see one by one. So first we will see the supervised learning. So I have mentioned some of the important points for supervised learning. Here, the human experts act as a supervisor where we feed the computer with training data containing the input variables, and expert show the correct output field. Then the computer should be able to learn the patterns. And also in generally, supervised learning algorithm can be used to build the models and classification based on the labeled data. This is a very important. Supervised learning method is used for the labeled data. And now you can see some list of common algorithms which we are using for supervised learning. So one is a nearest neighbor and Naive Bayes and linear regression and decision tree and support vector machine and neural networks. So for example, within linear we have different kind of linear regressions are there. For example, we can say we have more than 35 types of linear regression models are there. So same as within the neural network also we have different type of neural network concepts are there. So the next one is unsupervised learning. So here the unsupervised algorithms are used to identify the pattern detection and descriptive modeling. So here there is no supervisor at all. Actually the computer might be able to teach you new things after it learn pattern from the data. So these algorithms are particularly useful in case where the human expert does not know what to do from this data. And unsupervised learning is a very powerful algorithm because it can be automatically identify structure in the data. For example, if an analyst were trying to segment the customers, unsupervised clustering method would be a great starting point for this analysis. And also here there is no labeled data. We are not using the labeled data. We have only the input data. And some of the common techniques are k-mean clustering and hierarchical clustering, association rule, and principal component analysis. See here, I have given one example. We have three different kind of cartoons. So if you are using the unsupervised learning, it will be the system will identify the patterns. See, first it is identifying the one cartoon, and the next one is the different cartoon from this group, and also the similar cartoons will be identified in the third group. So based on the similarity, unsupervised learning process will act and segregate the groups. Next one is reinforcement learning. So the reinforcement learning algorithm is continuously learning from the environment in an iterative manner until it explores the full range of possible states. So the main advantage of reinforcement learning process will be minimize the risk. So there are some common methods I have mentioned. So one is Q learning, temporal difference, and a deep adversarial network. If you have any doubts in any part of this video, please provide your comments. I will try to resolve as soon as possible. Thank you.